Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Tuesday, March 23rd. I took off a few minutes early. Go for a ride. It's a beautiful day. God, it's 82 degrees. Oh, somebody's calling me. Too bad. Oh, I'm supposed to call this guy back today. That's probably him. He left me a message. I'll call him when I get home. Jeez, buddy. But what a beautiful day. I'm off tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be this nice tomorrow, though. I think it's supposed to be cloudy. That's a beautiful day. Now I had to take a ride. I ordered my sticker on this thing was expired on 2/21, and we had all that ice in February, so I didn't get out and get the safety inspections, but I did it like the very 1st of March. And then my wife ordered my stickers, and it's already the 23rd. I don't have my stickers yet. So I guess you don't want to order these things by mail. It probably takes forever if anybody's even working anymore at the DMV or wherever. I don't know, but I guess I should have just went to, you can actually do it at the grocery store and go pick them up there. I guess I should have done that. I got my sticker for the trailer, and that was ordered like 23 days ago too, so don't know what takes so long. Maybe people just don't work anymore. So I'm riding around on an expired tag. It says 2/22, but my wife said she's got an email saying that it's paid for, so if I get pulled over I can have her send me that text or whatever saying it's paid for. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyway, stuck at a light. Bye. Now I know what I was thinking of. I watched some guys riding that new green 2021 Spyder, and the dashboards look just like all gray. There's no color to them. They're just all grayed out, like black and white kind of screens, and they don't have color like mine. I wonder why. I wonder if they just changed them. If you ever looked at anybody riding the new 2021 Sea to Sky, the dash is just all grayed out. You know, ours has got color and black. Theirs just completely grayed out. So that's kind of weird. Go watch some of those. You'll see what I'm talking about. They're just kind of weird, and they flash. Mine doesn't flash, and I hope you don't see mine flashing. Bye. Oh, last week when we were up at we had to go pick out some of our appliances, and we got gas now. We're going to have electric up here. And that lady says, well, you know, something about doing all the cooking. My wife points to me because I do all the cooking. So that was pretty cool. I can't wait to get when I get up there, I'm going to buy a Blackstone griddle. I'm going to buy a 36-inch with the air fryers underneath. So I'm going to do a lot of cooking on that. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos. The guys with the Blackstone griddles, they got thousands of, 100,000 followers, and people cooking on their griddles. But I'll get one of those, and I'll cook outside all the time on one of those. The smash burgers and all kinds of things. I did chicken fried rice, everything on these things. Trucks on this road, cement trucks, dirt trucks, dangerous trucks. They ruin the roads, believe it or not. There's a big cement place and dirt place up here where they come and go.